And welcome back, Math Wizards, Virtual Room 502, you fabulous third graders. Let's visit our application problem. This is a problem that could occur in the real world. Well, we'll see if it can occur in the real world. Sometimes I wonder about these, but maybe it can. All right, so the banquet table in a restaurant measures 3 feet by 6 feet. I'm going to underline that. The table measures 3 feet by 6 feet for a large party. So if you ever find yourself working at a banquet hall, this might come in handy. For a large party, workers at the restaurant place 2 banquet tables side by side to create one long table. They were very creative in finding a solution. Find the area of the new longer table. Well, we have a lot going on here. And I think the only thing that could help us is an tape diagram. I do find myself throughout the day using tape diagrams. So please follow along because tonight, right now it's tonight for me, but it'll be the morning. You are indeed fabulous copycats. And this copycat, he works at a banquet hall, so he's wearing a bow tie. He doesn't like it, but the manager tells him to. All right, so we have 2 tables. Let's make the table they measure 3 feet by 6 feet. So there's table 1. And you just use your pencil to shape this in. You don't have to go grab a crayon, especially if you're using a whiteboard marker. You wouldn't want to do that. There's table 1. But so what happens is the workers at the restaurant place 2 banquet tables side by side to create one long table. Maybe it's a big party for many people to sit at. So they put another table here. All right, so this table, of course, is identical, so it's 6 feet and by 3 feet. We have the 3 feet measure there. Remember, Jackson Hassan said, well, why can't we put it there? We don't need to because it's right here. So let's say the other table, just for fun, is blue. So there we have it. 2 tables pushed together, pushed together, pushed together. And let's see what we can get from here. This, okay. So what we're trying to figure out is find the area of the new longer table. The new longer table. This table, it was 6 feet by 3 feet. This table, 6 feet by 3 feet. They pushed them together to sit a big party, maybe of 12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 12 people maybe could fit there. Maybe 14, but that doesn't matter. We're not banquet managers right now, or banquet workers. So you have 3 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet. How should we figure this out? Well, the first thing I think we need to do is to add the 6 and 6 together. What is 6 plus 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's 12. So this is 12 feet right there. So now we have to determine what the entire area is. So I can cross out that 6 feet and cross that out because it's 3 by 12, 3 feet by 12 feet. Let's get busy. We're going to go 3 times 12. All right. What's that going to equal? We can break it down a little bit. We can go 3 times 6, right? Plus parentheses 3 times 6. What are we going to get? Well, I know 3 times 6 is what? 6, 12, 18. I can count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So it's 18 plus the 18. Okay, that's what it equals. And what is 18 plus 18? Well, let's think about it. We could do it mentally. 8 plus 8 is 16, right? 8 plus 8, 16. Bring our 1 over there just as a reminder, 10, 10, 20, 30. So it looks like it's going to be 36, okay? So the total area of the 2 tables combined would be 36 feet squared, or 36 square feet. There's another way we could approach this, and I think you know what, we might as well do it. Maybe, yeah. Well, you know what? Yeah, I think we should because it's worth looking at a different, alternate way of doing this. Grab a new piece of scratch paper. Here we go. So let's look at the same problem again. We know it's 12 feet this way, the two tables that I'm put together, and you're still copycats. So we have the 3 feet, and let's break it up so we can multiply a little easier. We're going to break it up with 10 feet. Remember we did this yesterday? 10 feet here and 2 feet there. So we have 3 times 10 here, and 3 times 2 here. And that's a little easier than multiplying 3 times 12. Believe you me, it took me a long time to learn my 12 multiplication tables. So now it's as simple as this. 3 times 12 equals what? It equals 3 times 10. I know Esteban Lopez could tell us what that is immediately. Plus 3 times 2. Let's go ahead and have a little fun and fill this in. 3 times 10 is what? 10, 20, 30. So here we have the area equals 30 square feet. What do we have here? 3 times 2, 3, 6. 6 square feet. It's getting a little sloppy because I'm trying to hurry up and get everything in here. So now all we have to do is 3 times 10 is the blue, and 3 times 2 is the 6. So 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6. What's our answer, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros? It's 36. But that's not the final answer because we have to put in area equals 36 square feet. And that concludes the application problem for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. If you ever find yourself working at a place where you got to set up a banquet, you'll be well prepared. I hope. You'll be able to say, Mr. Leggett taught me how to do this. And I will nod on approvingly.